Chapter 19 Active and Passive Voice. The action or information in a sentence can be expressed in two ways. Read the following examples. He teaches literature. Literature is taught by him. The first sentence is in the active voice and the second is in the passive voice. Active voice. When the subject is the doer of action, or it can be said that the subject is activator of the verb, it is called the active voice. Passive voice. When the person or thing denoted by the subject is the receiver of the action, or subject is passive or acted upon, that is called the passive voice. Rules to change active into passive voice. Change object of active to the subject of passive and subject of active to object of passive. Put is, am, are, was, were, being, will be, shall have been according to the tense. Change verbs of action into the third form. Put by before the object. Read the following examples. Active. Ravina is reciting a poem. Passive. A poem is being recited by Ravina. Active. Mohan has stolen my purse. Passive. My purse has been stolen by Mohan. Active. I shall have submitted the report. Passive. The report shall have been submitted by me. Active. I can solve this problem. Passive. This question can be solved by me. Active. I do not like you. Passive. You are not liked by me. Active. They run a race. Passive. A race is run by them. Change of voice in different tenses. Tense, active voice, passive voice, active sentence, passive equivalent. Simple present, keep is kept. I keep the milk in the kettle. The milk is kept in the kettle by me. Present continuous is keeping is being kept. I am keeping my house clean. My house is being kept clean by me. Simple past, repaired, was repaired, he repaired the cycle. The cycle was repaired by him. Past continuous, was helping, was being helped. The bank officer was helping the customer. The customer was being helped by the bank officer. Present perfect, have kept, have been kept. I have kept all your old clothes. All your old clothes have been kept by me. Past perfect, had repaired, had been repaired. He had repaired many aeroplanes. Many aeroplanes had been repaired by him. Simple future, will finish, will be finished. Sam will finish his work. The work will be finished by Sam. Conditional present, would keep, would be kept. If you told me, I would keep your secret. If you told me, your secret would be kept. Conditional past, would have kept, would have been kept. I would have kept your car here if you had left it with me. Your car would have been kept here if you had left it with me. Present infinitive, to show, to be shown. She wants to show the picture. The picture wants to be shown by her. Perfect infinitive, to have kept, to have been kept. Akanksha was happy to have kept the puppy. The puppy was happy to have been kept by Akanksha. Present participle and gerund, keeping, being kept. I have a feeling that you may be keeping something. I have a feeling that something may be being kept by you. Perfect participle, having kept, having been kept, having kept the bird in a cage for so long. Arun wasn't sure it could survive in the world. The bird, having been kept in a cage for so long, might not survive in the world. Always remember, Mostly active voice of transitive verbs are changed into passive. If it is in the third form already as in perfect tense, leave it as it is. Exception: some active voices are changed into passive voices without by. For example, active, never tell a lie. Passive, let the lie be never told. The pronouns of active voice are changed as follows: I, me, she, her, he, him, it, we, us, they, them, you, who, whom. Let's recapitulate. The information in a sentence can be given in two ways. We can either begin a sentence with the subject as he loves truth, active voice, or truth is loved by him, passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject becomes passive and is used in its objective form preceded by. While changing a sentence from active to passive, the following changes are made. The object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive. The subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive. The passive voice of the verb is made by adding its past participle form of the verb to is, am, are, was, were, been, being. Solved examples: simple present, she helps me, we see him daily. I am helped by her, he is seen daily by us. Present continuous, she is cooking food. They are running a race. Food is being cooked by her. A race is being run by them. Present perfect, she has finished the job. I have won a prize. The job has been finished by her. A prize has been won by me. Note: there cannot be any change of voice if a sentence is in the present, past, future, perfect continuous tense. Simple past or future: Ruby cooked food. Ruby will cook food. Food was cooked by Ruby. Food will be cooked by Ruby. Past future tense: Ruby had cooked food. Food had been cooked by Ruby. Ruby will have cooked food. Food will have been cooked by Ruby. Interrogatives: who helped him? By whom was he helped? Where have you hidden it? Where has it been hidden by you? Imperatives: read the story. Active: let the story be read. Passive: punish him. Active: let him be punished. Passive: